Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the class. So let's start the class, children. So we are going to do revision again today. We'll do some of the addition questions. So let's start. Everyone take out your maths copy. Draw a margin there. Write today's date. And let's do the first question. So add the following numbers using the vertical or column method. We have done addition three types of, isn't it? One, addition using the number line. Second, addition using your vertical or column method. And the third, children, addition using your fingers, isn't it? These are the three methods of addition, and today we are going to do addition using your vertical or column method. So let's start. Write down this question in your copy, children. Add the following numbers using the vertical or column method. So first one, add 10 and 70. So it is your two-digit numbers, isn't it? So two-digit numbers means how many places will be here? Here will be two places, ones and tens, isn't it? And what does this word and means? In place of and we are going to put plus. So 10, first number is 10, 0 will come in ones place and 1 will come in tens place. Then plus 70, 7 comes in tens place, 0 comes in ones place. Now do the addition, children. We always start addition from which place? We start addition from ones place, isn't it? So what numbers are here? What digits are here, children? 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 is what? 0. Isn't it? Next, 1 plus 7. Do you remember the mental addition, children? How to do mentally? Keep the bigger number in mind. 7 in mind. Open one finger. Count after 7, children. 1, that is after 7 what comes? 8. So 7 plus 1 is what? 8. The sum is 80. That means the answer is 80. Do it in your copy, children. Try yourself first. Next, number B. Add 42 and 33. So children, again these are your two-digit numbers, isn't it? So we will put two places, ones, tens. Clear? Now we will place 42 in their places. So 2 comes in ones place and 4 comes in tens place. And means plus 33. 3 comes in tens place and the other 3 comes in ones place. Clear? Now we are going to add these two numbers. So addition we always start from which place? Ones place. So 2 plus 3 is what? Bigger number is which, children? 3 is a bigger number, isn't it? Keep bigger number in your mind. Open two fingers and after 3 you start counting 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 is what? 5. In ones place what comes? 5. Now we will move to tens place, children. 4 plus 3. So keep the bigger number in mind. Which one is a bigger number? 4 or 3? 4 is the bigger number. So we'll keep 4 in mind. Open 3 fingers. Start counting after 4. After 4 comes 5, 6, 7. So what comes in tens place? 7. So here it is 75. 75 is what? Is the sum. Okay? That is your answer. Do it in your copy, children. Let's do more. So children, let's do number C. Add 7 and 2. So this is your one digit number, isn't it? So what place will be here? Ones place will be here. So we'll put ones place and then we will arrange 7 and 2 vertically, or you can say in column method. So 7 will come below ones place plus 2. Now how do we do addition mentally? Do you remember? We keep 7 in mind, bigger number in mind, and smaller number is what? 2. We will open 2 fingers. Now you start counting after 7 children. 8, 9. So what is the sum? 9. Or you can say answer. Okay? Note down this in your copy children. Let's do next. Add 14, 15 and 10. So this is your 3 numbers of how many digits? 2 digits. We have already done this addition, isn't it? So how many places will be here? 2 places, that is 1's place and 10's place. Now we are going to arrange this in vertical method. Okay. So first we will put 14. In place of comma children we will write plus 15. Okay. Then in place of and we are going to write again plus 10. Clear? Why did I put 2 plus children? Why? Because we are going to add the first 2 digits with the answer which we get after addition of first 2 digits children. We add with our third digit. Okay? So we always start addition from which place? 1's place, isn't it? So let's add our first 2 digits, that is 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 is what? Keep bigger number in mind. Open 4 fingers. So 5 is in your mind children. After 5 you start counting. 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 plus 5 is what? 9. Now 9 plus 0 is what? You know that when we add 0 to any number, the sum is the number itself. So 9 plus 0 is 9. Okay. Let's move to 10's place now children. So 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Now 2 plus 1 is what? 3. So our sum is 39. Clear? Our sum is 39. You can do this in your copy children. Let's do one more last. Let's do one more last. E, that is 20, 11 and 33. So children, we will arrange this vertically. Let's do it. So 2 places will come, 1's, 10's. Now first we are going to arrange which number? 20. So arrange 20 to 0. In place of comma, we'll put plus here. 20 plus 11. Okay. Then we are going to add 33. Now let's find out the answer. We start addition from 1's place children. So first 2 digits are what? 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is what? 1. Then 1 plus 3 is what children? 4. So what comes in 1's place? 4. Now let's move to 10's place children. 2 plus 1. We'll add first 2 digits. 3. Then 3 plus 3 is what? 6. So the sum is 64. Is it clear? You can note down this in a copy children. You can do yourself, try yourself first. So that's all for today. Note down this, practice at home, and if you find any difficulty, you can ask me. Thank you so much.